Alright, got a watch to unbox here. Came in on a trade. I took this watch plus a little bit of cash for my Seiko 5 the compass bezel watch. I can't think of what they're called. I don't know if that is the normal thing for the box for a Mako to say that on there. It looks like it's inked by somebody. So we've got an Orient Mako II with an aftermarket bezel installed, and this is the bezel that would have came on it. Apparently this band is called the Ray. I'm not extremely sure what that is. I don't know much about Orient. Hey, I need one too many clicks. There we go. Pretty cool looking all black dial, date. Screw down crown. Hand winding and hacking on this movement, unlike my other Orient, which is neither of those things. I guess this particular watch was featured in some advertising media for a online watch mod parts dealer. Might have to take one link out, or maybe just use up some of the micro adjust on this. Pretty cool looking watch though. That fits me pretty much how I like a bracelet to fit, with all the micro adjust taken up in it, but with all of the links still on.